The world's got beautiful colors.
Hi guys, well Jetbuilt is turning 10 years old and we are throwing a party. I can't believe it's been 10 years since my little AV company had grown to the size where I needed a better, more substantial tool for my proposals and quotes, and no one wanted to build such a tool. I tried buying a legacy tool which seemed a little too old-fashioned and clunky for me, so I eventually had to build my own. Here we are 10 years later and Jetbuilt is helping so many of you increase the speed of your workflow. So to celebrate, Jetbuilt is throwing a party at InfoComm in Las Vegas, Wednesday late afternoon, 4:30 to 6:30, right between the show and whatever evening plans you've got. You can walk right over from the expo to where we are having the party. The information is right here on this website. Some of our favorite manufacturer partners are providing the sound and the video and the lights and giveaways for you guys. Many of you know I toured with my rock band Mayfair Laundry back in the 90s. We put a couple albums out back then. We put 4 new songs out recently, and we'll be doing a couple of short sets at the party as well. So there'll be plenty of entertainment and networking and giveaways and cocktails and appetizers and so much more. So come on by. The party's free, but you do have to register. So just go to the website. At the very top it says Jetbuilt 10th birthday or whatever it says. Click on that, register. We'll make a wristband for you. We'll get it all ready for you to come and celebrate with us. And now on to some regular Jetbuilt updates. We just launched a couple of things you might be really interested in looking at. One of them is the service component to Portal. Many of you have been testing the client portal, inviting your clients in for updates, whether it's during the pre-sale stage or the installation stage or post-sale. Now the clients have a global assets list. So every piece of equipment that you've installed to them across all of their projects, they can see it, they can search for it by serial number or by item or so forth. They can click on it and report an incident, whether it's a projector or a touch panel or whatever. Then you can carry out that service inside of Jetbuilt. Everything that you already do within the service platform, but they're now able to participate with you on those messages back and forth, file sharing of images and photos, scheduling the service, and then they can sign off right there within Portal. So that's a big deal. So check that out. The second is languages. We've been talking for a couple of years about this, and we offered multiple languages on proposals, but now we're bringing it to life inside the application. We've now brought the builder and the project overview page to life, along with all of their various modals. It's live in German, French, Spanish, and other languages. If you're interested in doing some testing and then reporting in some things, we would love to have you, and we can bring that life for you in your account today. Okay, that's it. Until next time, this is Paul Dexter signing off.